Welcome back, you guys. So I had asked y'all on one of the previous videos if you guys wanted to see a build breakdown of my truck, and a few of y'all said yes. So I'm not gonna disregard you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and make this video despite the majority of the people just want to see super stuff. But for those that want to see the truck, here you go. So this is a 2013 Ford F250 Lariat Premium Edition. So from my understanding, this has all the options that the Platinum has, except without the badging and stuff. From what I remember or what I was told, I don't know, whatever, I don't really care. But I got the truck about 5 years ago, so it's a 2013. I got it in 2014, and man, no regrets. This truck was pretty expensive. All said and done, this truck came out to, I mean, keep in mind it was a new truck at that moment, and it did come out to about $63,000. But the way you see it is the way I bought it. The only thing that I did was I installed HID headlights, HID fog lights, and LED everything. LED reverse, you know, the cargo lights, interior lights, everything. But the wheels, you know, all the performance stuff, it was already done. So as y'all can see, it does have American Force wheels with some Nitto Trail Grapplers 37s. The lift is a FabTech 6-inch lift. You see there, it says FabTech. So it's a FabTech 6-inch lift, Dirt Logic shocks. It also has the Dirt Logic shocks on the steering stabilizer. It is fully deleted, so the EGR was deleted with the here, I'll show you guys. So the engine is really dirty. This is not a show truck, or I mean, by any means do I ever try to keep it like super clean and stuff like that. I use this truck for everything. I've loaded the bed. This is a roll and lock bed cover, but this thing rolls all the way back and it stores in here. I filled up the bed probably like this high with nothing but stone. See that type of stone right there? So this is not like a show truck or anything like that. I've used it for everything. I've hauled cars, I've loaded it with trees, rocks, you know, whatever. But back to the engine bay. So it's dirty, I get it. This isn't, like I said, this is not a show truck, but it does have your Sinister diesel EGR delete. It does have a nice intake, which dirty. Like I said, this is not a show truck. So it's got a EGR delete kit. It's got an intake on it. It has a huge exhaust. I believe this is a 5 or 6 inch exhaust, straight pipe. See, so it's straight pipe all the way. There is no muffler on it whatsoever. That's why it sounds so good. It does have an H&S Mini Max tuner. You know, some people, they have mixed feelings about it. I haven't had any issues with it. The reason I like it is because you can actually change the tune on the fly. So let's say I'm racing someone, which I have raced people, and here, I'll show you. So it's H&S initializing. So right now I always keep it on street, but let's say I'm racing someone and I need some more power, just hit that button and it goes into performance. So you got a tow, you got your stock tune, tow, street, which I always keep it on street, and then just boom, it goes into performance. I think it's over like 30 pounds of boost if I remember correctly, something like that. But this is the interior. Very, very nice truck. Okay, got your sunroof, the little rear window slides open, got my baby seat here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. See, this thing's actually pretty strong too, because you guys know those Mazda MX-3 or I don't know, something Mazda 3 turbo. I raced a couple of those and I smoked them both. In this truck smoked both of those cars. Yeah, this is the truck here. Let's get you guys, let you guys hear the exhaust. Oh yeah, damn, look at all that. Oh shit. Looks all the coal. I'm not really into like the whole rolling coal thing. I only do it like whenever people are like, let's say people are tailgating me, they're being assholes, then I'll roll some coal, and it rolls coal bad. On the performance setting on the tune, the truck did make over 600 horsepower and it was over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. So she moves, she definitely moves. Yeah, so that's the truck. I mean, there's pretty much not to it. I mean, these 6.7s are really good motors. I've had it for 5 years. I haven't had any issues with it. Hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, this is a really good truck. You know, whenever I got this truck, I was actually gonna get a F250, a gas truck, but my wife Lala, she's the one that pushed me to get the truck, just the way she pushed me to get the Supra, and just the way she's pushed me to get a lot of other things that are coming here pretty soon. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, that's the truck. Doesn't take much to make it pretty fast. I mean, for a big truck, it's pretty quick, let me say it that way. But that's it. So fully deleted intake, tune, exhaust, you know, lift kit, wheels, your nice bed cover, HIDs, LEDs. I mean, obviously you got your tent, you gotta have that, and that's pretty much it. It's a solid truck. Use it to go for a cruise on the weekend, use it to haul cars, use it to haul for, you know, stones, for work, whatever. The truck's ready to go. And oh yeah, so another thing, I know a lot of you guys had been asking me about these guys here, so let me take the time and introduce y'all to them. This right here is Vitaly. What's up, boy? He's the oldest one, right? So this is Vitaly, this is Layla. How you doing, girl? And over here is Vladimir. These two are always the ones that are always fighting. So, play fighting. So the story behind him is that we got him first. He's 6 years old, and then a year later we went to go get. A year later we went to go get another one because he needed a play buddy. So we went to go get Layla, and we came home with two. This guy tagged along, and well, you know, we couldn't leave him behind. So that's how we ended up with 3 huskies. And believe me when I tell you that they are a ton of work. Spent more on them in hospital bills from little accidents that they've had and times that they ran away, more than I've spent on myself in my entire life. Yeah, I mean, that's just if you're a true dog lover, you're gonna do whatever it takes to make sure they're okay, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, those are my dogs. If you guys want to know anything about them, just let me know. I have a pretty cool idea about a video that I want to create with them. As I was saying before my camera rudely died, I have a pretty fun little video idea that I want to make that involves them and this little badass RC truck that I have and a camera. I'm sure you guys can probably put that together. Love this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Depending on how much interest I see on this video about the truck, I will take it out and do like some, you know, I'll probably look for a race, or maybe do like some boosted launches, maybe do a burnout or some donuts, something fun. But I'm not gonna destroy my expensive tires if there's no interest. So you guys let me know, okay? Catch you on later.